now in effect through Sunday morning. The flood watch is now in effect for portions of central New York and northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas in central New York: Broome, Kemmon, Shenango, Cortland, Delaware, Madison, northern Oneida, Onondaga, Otsego, Schuyler, Seneca, southern Cayuga, southern Oneida, Steuben, Sullivan, Tioga, Tompkins, and Yates. In northeast Pennsylvania, Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, northern Wayne, Pike, southern Wayne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. Through Sunday morning, broken ice along area rivers may cause additional ice jams and localized flooding overnight into early Sunday as rivers begin to refreeze. Rivers and streams could see locally fast and significant rises in the vicinity of any ice jams. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.